Hello everyone, today we will discuss a critical topic in oncology and critical care, how to manage grade 4 SIRS using tocilizumab and corticosteroids. Understanding the pharmacology behind these therapies is essential for managing life-threatening cytokine storms. What is SIRS in oncology? SIRS in oncology often results from cytokine release syndrome, especially in patients receiving CAR T-cell therapy or other immunotherapies. It involves an uncontrolled systemic inflammatory response. Grade 4 SIRS severity. Grade 4 SIRS represents the most severe form, characterized by hypertension requiring vasopressors, hypoxia, and multi-organ dysfunction. Immediate ICU level management is essential. Pathophysiology of cytokine storm. In cytokine storm, there is massive release of inflammatory mediators like IL-6, TNF-alpha, and IL-1. This leads to endothelial damage, capillary leak, hypertension, and ultimately organ failure. Role of tocilizumab. Tocilizumab is a monoclonal antibody that specifically blocks IL-6 receptors, reducing cytokine signaling. It is considered first-line therapy in cytokine release syndrome due to its targeted action. Role of corticosteroids. Corticosteroids act broadly by suppressing multiple inflammatory pathways. They inhibit cytokine production at the gene level and are used in severe or refractory cases of SIRS. Tocilizumab versus steroids. Key differences. Tocilizumab provides targeted inhibition of IL-6 with rapid control of cytokine storm and less overall immunosuppression. Steroids, on the other hand, have a broader effect but may increase infection risk due to global immune suppression. Clinical decision-making. In clinical practice, tocilizumab is used as first-line therapy. Steroids are added if there is no response or in severe cases. In grade 4 SIRS, combination therapy is often required. Risks and considerations. Both therapies carry risks. Tocilizumab requires monitoring of liver function, while steroids can cause hyperglycemia and increase infection risk. Careful monitoring is essential to balance benefits and risks. Summary and key concept. To conclude, grade 4 SIRS in oncology is a life-threatening emergency. Tocilizumab provides targeted cytokine blockade, while corticosteroids offer broad immunosuppression. Together, they form the backbone of effective management. Thank you for watching this lecture. I hope you now clearly understand the pharmacological management of grade 4 SIRS and the roles of tocilizumab and corticosteroids in controlling cytokine storm. If you found this session helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more medical lectures.